Welcome. If you want to change device theme on your XIAOMI Mi Lite, for the first, let's go to the settings. Then tap on the search and type here theme. Enter themes. And for example, we can change it. Okay, there's the pottery notification. Maybe we can change it for the rainbow. So tap right here to get it. Okay, and right now we can even select what we want to exactly change. We can set the lock screen, home screen, system, icons, and if you want to just leave the home screen like the preview, you have to unselect the home screen. But I'm going to change everything, so tap on the apply. And right now we can check if it's working. And as you can see, it's changed. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.